When people talk about Israeli hostages and then talk about Palestinian prisoners, there's already a problem with that framing. First of all 2.2 million people in Gaza are hostages. Every Palestinian that lives under occupation is a hostage. But all of those prisoners that have been picked up, women, children, innocent people with absolutely no process of making sure that they're treated right or given fair trials or even given a communication line with their families or with any government to help them is absolutely criminal. All of those prisoners are also hostages. And when you are already propose this idea that there are Israeli hostages and Palestinian prisoners, you're already implying that one group is complicit in their own devastation, whereas another group has had devastation visited upon them entirely out of their own doing.